Okay. Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to today's contest. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-learning for all our media and video coverages. We are grateful. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dex Technologies. At Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it exciting and hands-on. To Ghana Grid Company Limited, Gridco. They provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, MTN, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesbin TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitments to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. We want to appreciate our heads of schools. Thank you for allowing your students to partake in this contest. To our teachers who prepared our students for the contest, we say thank you. Without you, this would not have been possible. Thank you, contestants. Well done for taking up the mantle and the task to partake in this contest. We appreciate you. Without you, there'll be no contest. Well done, and thank you. My name is Dr. Amalabi, and I'm from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology here at KNUST, and I will be your quiz mistress for this contest. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles, underlining the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork as well as critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Competing today in our contest, we have New Tafo Presby. We also have Efijase Presby Basic A. You are all welcome to today's contest. I would like to know those who are competing in the contest. So, New Tafo Presby is represented by
Kevin Jike.
Ajika John.
You are both welcome. Efijase Presby Basic A is represented by
Valentin Kwachiredu.
Odame Blaise Adante.
You are both welcome. I would like us to do a pre-buzzer test. Can I hear the sound from the buzzer for New Tafo Presby? Thank you. Efijase Presby Basic A. Thank you. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, science and technology challenge. and round 4, decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. Round 1, fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other school to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer, thus no point is scored even if you are right. Best wishes to both of you. The first question, this is a preamble, so all of you should listen attentively. State the vegetative part that can be used to propagate each of the following plants. New Tafo Presby, banana.
Saka.
That is correct. Efijase Presby, pineapple.
Saka.
Incorrect. You have another attempt. Go again. Bonus. The correct answer is crown. Another preamble. State one solvent for each of the following substances. Efijase Presby, coal tar. I cannot hear you, please.
Oil.
Incorrect. Try again. You have another attempt. Time is up. Time is up. Bonus.
Petrol.
Petrol is correct. New Tafo Presby, oil paint.
Turpentine.
That is correct. Another preamble. State what the following number keys of a dedicated numeric keyboard does while typing a Word document when the number lock is toggled off. New Tafo Presby, 3.
E.
Incorrect. You have another attempt. Boss. The correct answer is page down. It scrolls down 1 page. If you just say Presby, 8. Bonus. The correct answer is up arrow. It moves the cursor up. Another preamble. In a test consisting of 90 questions, Amma answered 75% of the first 40 questions correctly. If she had to get a score of 80% in the test, New Tafo Presby, how many questions did she answer currently out of the first 40 questions?
Nine questions.
Incorrect. You have another attempt.
$32.
Incorrect. Bonus. Efijase. Incorrect. The correct answer is 30 questions. And Efijase, when you are answering the question, don't cover your mouth. Speak into the microphone. Thank you. Efijase Presby, your main question. How many questions should she answer correctly out of the 90 questions? Incorrect. You have another attempt.
$28.
Incorrect. Bonus. The correct answer is 72 questions. Efijase Presby, a girl yells near a cliff and waits for an echo. If the distance to the cliff is 40 meters and the speed of sound is 340 meters per second, will she hear an echo if her ears can only detect it if it comes after 0.1 seconds? Let me read it again. A girl yells near a cliff and waits for an echo. If the distance to the cliff is 40 meters and the speed of sound is 340 meters per second, will she hear an echo if her ears can only detect it if it comes after 0.1 seconds?
No.
Explain your answer.
Because you said that 40 millimeters, 40 meters, and speed is 340 meters per second. And now you are asking me that if the seconds is 0.1, will she hear an echo?
Okay, the answer is incorrect. Bonus. The correct answer is yes, the girl will hear the echo. And this is because 0.235 seconds is greater than 0.1 seconds. New Tafo Presby. A hiker shouts inside a cave, and the sound reflects off a surface 30 meters away. The speed of sound is 343 meters per second, and the echo can only be detected if it returns in at least 0.09 seconds. Will the hiker hear the echo? I will read it again, since I read for the other school. A hiker shouts inside a cave, and the sound reflects off a surface 30 meters away. The speed of sound is 343 meters per second, and the echo can only be detected if it returns in at least 0.09 seconds. Will the hiker hear the echo? Bonus. The correct answer is yes. The hiker will hear the echo. Since 0.175 seconds is greater than 0.09 seconds. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. New Tafo Presby. On a number line, numbers increase as you move to the right.
True.
That is correct. Epijase Presby. The distance between -2 and 3 on the number line is 5 units.
False.
Incorrect. New Tafo Presby. A pulley can change the direction of a force.
False.
Incorrect. Epijase Presby. A wheel and axle is used to increase force or speed.
True.
That is correct. On that note, we come to the end of round 1. We will say thank you to our sponsors once again, KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, Gridco, MTN, Nestle Ghana, and Kesben TV. We appreciate you. Dex Technologies, thank you for the Science and Technology Challenge round. At the end of round 1, New Tafo Presby has 10 points. Epijase Presby Basic has 3 points. Round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the other school gets to compete to answer. Sorry. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer. A wrong question in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to you both. Before we continue, I have a substitution. The substitution is not here, so let's continue. Metals are able to conduct electricity because they possess Newtafel. Time is up. The correct answer is free or delocalized electrons. An atom which contains more electrons than protons becomes a Newtafel.
Negatively charged atom.
It's correct. That is correct. Or an anion can also be the answer. The food substance needed for growth and repair of tissues is Newtafel.
Protein.
That is correct. The bearing of Ayiduase from Kote is 275 degrees. What is the bearing of Kote from Ayiduase? Newtafel.
85 degrees.
Incorrect. Efijase.
75 degrees.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 95 degrees. The part of the flower that develops into a fruit is the Newtafel.
The ovule.
That the what?
The ovule.
Ovary. That is correct. The first key on the computer keyboard is Efijase.
The escape button.
That is correct. The density of a substance is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the volume of the substance if its mass is 25 grams. Efijase. Can you speak loudly, please? I did not hear you. Say it again. I just did not hear you. Say what you said again.
8.10 joules.
Incorrect. Newtafel.
1.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 10 centimeter cube. 10 centimeter cube. At 9 o'clock, what is the angle formed between the hour and the minute hands of the clock? At 9 o'clock, what is the angle formed between the hour and the minute hands of the clock?
$60.
Incorrect. New Tafo.
90 degrees.
That is correct. On that note, we come to the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, New Tafo Presby has 13 points. Efijase Presby has 2 points. So the total scores at the end of round 2, New Tafo Presby 23 points. Efijase Presby Basic 5 points. Thank you once more to our sponsors. We appreciate you. Round 3, Science and Technology Challenge. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the Dext Science set. Before we continue, we have a substitution. Efijase Presby Basic, Odame is going out and Obing is coming in. Thank you, Odame, and welcome, Obing. Welcome. You have been provided with a 9-volt battery, V, 2 resistors labeled R1 and R2, a transistor labeled EBC, an LED labeled L, a capacitor labeled C1, and a switch K. Your task: construct a circuit with the components in the diagram that you see. Turn on the switch and observe what happens to the LED. Turn off the switch and wait for some seconds. Observe what happens to the LED. Your related task questions. What are your observations in task 1 and 2? Account for your observations in task 1 and 2. All the best and start work. So for our round 3, the LED turns on in task 1 and stays on for some time before it goes off when the switch is turned off. In task 1, when the keys is turned on, it turns the transistor on and the current begins to flow through the circuit. Hence, the LED turns on in task 2, when the switch is turned off, the capacitor starts to discharge the energy stored in task 1, keeping the transistor on till all the energy is used up. So for this task, new TAFO Presby, you could not complete the circuit. You partially did it, so you got 2/4 for that. And you provided answer to task 2 only, but not the other one. And you did not give any answer for the third question. So you have a total of 3 points for that one. Ejsmq Presby, you were able to complete the circuit, but you did not do it in the right order. So you have 3/4 for that. And you were not able to provide the right answers to the other questions. So your total point is 3/4. 3/10, actually, I mean. Sorry, 3/10. So, at the end of round 3, the total scores. New TAFO Presby has 26 points. Ejsmq Presby has 8 points. Round 4. This round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue is 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication is 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question and nullifies your answer even if it is correct. All the best to both of you. Question 1. I am a theorem in mathematics. You can call me the leftover theorem. I am useful in the fractionalization of polynomials. I am usually associated with division of a polynomial by a linear expression. I lead naturally to a fractionalization theorem. Who am I? I lead naturally to a factorization theorem. Who am I? Ejsmq, I didn't hear you. Go ahead.
Multiplication of 2 binomials.
Incorrect. The correct answer is remainder theorem. Second question. I am a naturally occurring polymer, and the orientation of the bonds in me makes me suitable as a structural compound. The name of my monomer unit in Greek means full of sweet. Most mammals, including humans, cannot digest me. In spite of that, I am recommended as part of the diet of humans because I provide roughage. I can be broken down by special bacteria in the stomach chambers of polygastrics. Who am I? Efijase. Pardon? Incorrect. Neil Tafo.
Proteins.
Incorrect. The correct answer is cellulose. Cellulose. The third question. We are a pair of points. One of us is at the top of the mountain and the other is at the bottom of the valley. We are said to be Efijase. Incorrect. We are said to be stationary and can be found on curves. The tangent to a curve at any of us is horizontal. At us, the gradient simply vanishes. Who are we? Go on.
X and Y.
Incorrect. Maximum and minimum points. I am a geometric figure. You can say I have the right point of view. I define perpendicularity. To be precise, I am an angle. New Tafo. Incorrect. I am a supplement of myself and a complement of nothing. I have half the measure of a straight angle. Who am I? If you just say, I didn't hear you. You cover your mouth. Incorrect. The correct answer is right angle. On that note, we come to the end of round 4 and thus the end of the contest. We would like to thank all our sponsors for coming on board to make this contest possible. Contestants, well done. You have done well. To come up here and compete is not easy. So none of you got any points in round 4. Therefore, at the end of the competition, Efijase Presby Basic School has 8 points. New Tafo Presby, the winner for this contest, has 26 points. Well done, Efijase. Well done, New Tafo. Well done, contestants. You have done well. The sky is not even your limit. You can do so much in life. For being confident to come and sit here. Well done. You have done well. On that note, I say thank you for coming, and we are done for this morning. Thank you.